The skin which is present under your eyes is the most delicate and the thinnest area of the skin of the human body. There is no oil gland in that area. That's why it is very much susceptible to dark circles, rings or shadows. What causes dark circles? Lack of sleep can be one of the most basic cause of dark circles. Your body is able to repair the skin only when you are in the state of deep sleep. Because when you are sleeping, blood circulation can focus on your skin and face as well to keep it more young and healthy. Not getting enough sleep increases the stress and cause buildup of deoxygenated blood and make eye circles more visible. Genetics are the biggest cause of dark circles. If your parents have dark circles, then you also have a great chance to have them. Like some Latin, African and Indian experiences more dark circles in the eye area due to the skin containing more pigments genetically. Iron deficiency can also cause dark circles. The veins located under your eye area become more noticeable whenever you lack iron in your system. One study found that anemia was an underlying cause of dark under eye circle in 50% participants. Low thyroid condition may cause some people to exhibit darkened circle under eyes. Thyroid is the master gland in your body and it produces many important hormones. Hypothyroidism is a condition in which thyroid does not produce enough hormone that may affect the production of blood and nutrient delivery. These stressful body conditions result darkening of skin under eyes. Smoking tobacco restricts the blood flow, causing the pale appearance in the skin and may also cause dark circles under eyes, especially in chain smokers. Aging is also a natural cause of dark circles. As you get older, the tissues under the eye start to thin, making them to more look puffy and swollen, resulting with dark circles under eyes. Allergies and dry skin can also contribute to dark circles. When you have an allergic reaction, your body releases histamine, which can cause itchiness and redness. So you rub your eyes, increasing irritation, swelling results the appearance of dark shadows. Overexposure to sunlight, drinking less water, and the use of some medication may also result with sudden appearance of dark circles. Here we are going to tell you some simple home remedies for dark circles. Almond oil can help to reduce dark circles. This is because its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Almond oil also contains vitamin E and K that keeps the delicate skin of under eyes smooth. Massage this oil under your eyes with the help of your fingertips at least for a minute, 2 times a day. You can also use coconut oil for this purpose. Raw grated potato or even cold raw potato slices have proven to have lightening effects on the skin. Slice some cucumbers and place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, then leave it on dark circles for 10 minutes and wash the eyes with water. Try this method twice a day to get instant result. Get few tablespoons of milk, put it in refrigerator for few minutes and then massage under your eyes for 2 to 3 minutes, 2 times a day. It can also prove beneficial to get rid dark circles. The easiest and the most natural way to get rid dark circles is by treating yourself a nice 8-hour sleep. A good 8-hour deep sleep will help to take away all the discomfort and also replenish your skin. Stay healthy, stay aware, remember me in your prayers.